Beep beep, give us way.
Car. School bus. Ambulance. Police car. Tank. Fire engine. Tractor. Backhoe. Racing car. Lorry. Beep beep, give us way. The dog seems happy, and so does the little one. Mom and Dad smile lovingly. Let's get in the car and drive away, away to the sea. The clock ticks 7. Isn't that school bus coming? So it's time for class now. Mommy and Daddy, see you again after school. Everybody help! Give way to them. The ambulance is rushing through the traffic. There is a patient waiting. He needs to see a doctor. The siren is wailing. But where's the thief at? A police car is coming to take him away. Everyone is relieved. The city is safe and sound. Here comes the tank to fight the battle. Brave soldiers are fighting for the country. They don't fear their enemy. The fire alarm rings. Everything is on fire. Fire engines rush in. The fire hydrant is over there. Let's flush the water and put out the fire. What rides along is a tractor. That's the farmer's best mate. They plow the soil to make it ready for planting. The new black hole never stops working. A big metal arm is spinning around. It is digging deeper and deeper. Fast cars speed up. They ride side by side. The racers are reaching the dream. It's called victory. Pull over, will you? Customers are in line. They are waiting for the food lorry. The seller is happy, and so are we.